Hello, I'm going to show you how to call external function using C types in Python. Especially, I'm focusing on using only C types without any other module. When you build some add-ons for Blender, there are sometimes you need to call system function. And then you could see soon it is hard to do that with the only Blender because the Python which brings with the Blender is default state of the original Python. It has the basic supporting module and just only few additional module. So we will get noticed it needs to use only basic modules brings with the Blender. C types is one of the foreign function interface to call external C or C++ function for Python, and one of the basic modules brings with the Python version after 2.5. By using C types, we can call the external function in certain DLL. And now let's start seeing the example of using C types. This is the code that I want to show you. It has three sections. The first one is define class holding the data. The second one is conventions for calling the certain type, a certain function. In this example, the certain function is returns the information of window placement. The third section, the last one, is actually execution the code which is defined earlier. As you can see in this code now, this code shows you my intention of not using any additional module except C types. This code seems so really rambling because this code uses the full path of C types to define the variable and call the function. But you can make it short easily, not using the full name of path of them. And then finally, I will show you the execution result of this code. At the first, I will try to run this code on this VS Code. In VS Code, to run this code, press Ctrl plus F5. Then you can see the result. Then the second, I tried the same thing on the Blender. First, bring the Blender and change it into the text editor, and even bring the system console and copy the total code and paste it here, already showing the system console. Then in the Blender, to run this code, press Alt plus P, then you can see the result also. That's all I was going to show you, but there is something to let you know. At Udemy, I did make this video to up the skill of my English speaking. If you have something about my English speaking, please comment down below. Then I will be really appreciated. Thanks for watching.